Games.
Here we go, we're at Michael's house. He's turning the...
4,000.
I'm the only reason we can do this right now. I'm just kidding. Acknowledge. So, we're not gonna waste time and say what alarms are up. You can find it out when we do that. Alright, so just...
Are you ready?
Yes.
More than ready.
Yeah, how long's the delay?
Too long.
Is it going?
No.
No, because the panel will make a noise, won't it? Try the other one, try the other one. Over here.
Okay, come on in. It likes to do this sort of shit.
Are we blinking? I don't know if we're blinking.
If we got
Probably.
blink. Ready?
Yes.
Red is going.
Jesus. Hey.
Oh yeah.
Alright, upstairs. They're going off upstairs.
Oh, I can hear it. I like this. So the one upstairs runs continuous.
Because these are self-coded on March time.
Okay.
It overpowers these. Oh.
Alright,
This one?
when this is done, I'll hit that one.
How long does it take to reset?
You'll
Like
hit which
30, 45 seconds.
What?
Jesus.
Mine resets immediately. Wait. Let me BTS.
Okay.
Okay.
But isn't it a siren BTS, not a...
It doesn't matter.
Same thing.
We're sorry.
Same autism.
Pretty much.
Ready?
Is this the SHG?
Yep.
I like this. That's loud. Hang on. Let me silence it.
Yeah.
There we go.
Terrifyingly loud. Battery exhausted. Alright.
Does that mean you ran out?
That was the thing, because if I would have gotten my haircut, I could have dropped this off at the house and charged it.
I have a charger at my house we can charge it at.
True.
And we're good.
Cool.
Actually, I'm going to do it and I'll just turn off the panel when I silence it. Are you ready?
Yes. Oh, for the pulse
Oh, this has a
signals?
delay.
To verify it?
Mm-hmm.
Is this?
Dang. Want to do the
Actually, no.
B and gel?
Okay, hit reset.
And you want? Can we do the other one?
You? No, because I don't have a key. Once it resets, you're going to unplug it.
Okay, can we do the other one?
No, because this is not going to... I don't have a key to shut this.
I know. I thought you could just hold the button.
It hurts bad.
Okay.
I'll do it.
Is it reset?
I think there's a trouble. Okay.
Just push that up and hold it.
Alright, unplug.
Is it this
no,
one?
unplug.
Okay. I unplugged the wrong one.
No, you're good.
See if it does it. See if it goes.
Are we gonna hold that closed?
Nah.
it hurts bad.
What the hell? That was right as you pushed it too.
Juicy. Is it just me or is so this is a GMS, right? Or G? Yeah, GMS.
Can we just hold this and then?
HG.
Wait, is this just me or is this louder?
What do you mean?
This
Than that?
sounds a lot- Yeah.
Yeah, of course. That's a lot louder than
I
that.
think it's because there's no strobe blocking it. You know?
Maybe.
What are these for? Oh, for. I see.
It's a different horn design. Just a little bit.
Pull it.
Pull it. It's not going to do anything, of course, but I don't want to break the damn thing.
You won't.
They're junk though.
There you
Look
go.
at how many screws are down in there from when I was screwing this in and they fell in there.
I don't think you can see it.
It's just